my name's Hayley. I am the owner of Rise and Grill, and this is my MRT Canopy setup. Having the MRT Canopy set up, I've got the pantry so I can let it open it, all my rubs are there that I need, and just every drawer has all the essentials that I need to get cooking beachfront. I started Rise and Grill as a platform for me to showcase the recipes that I cook while I'm outdoors. I love doing anything baking. I make my own tortillas at camp, and grill being the grilling, anything from charcoal onto the barbecue smoker. And I really just want to show everyone else out there that it is possible, you can all do it. My outdoor passion kind of started with camping with the family. We always go away for the weekends, and I love to cook for people. So I'd sit the family down, cook them all a feast, and that's where it started from. I would definitely have to say my favorite feature is the pantry. I made it 2 levels, so I've got all my barbecue rubs at the bottom, and then on top I've got all my olive oils, any extra flavouring that I want. The back drawer is a go-to. Being able to pull it out, it's sturdy enough that I can put my barbecue on it, I can film on it. Yeah, perfect, I love it. So I chose MRT canopies as they were local to us in Yatala there. I was actually able to go down to the showroom and see the canopies on display, and that really helped, and just the workmanship was incredible. So yeah, definitely happy with my canopy. So one destination that is definitely on the bucket list is Uluru. I can't think of anything better than parking up under and having a big cook-up. That is, yeah, definitely get there. Rise and Grill has definitely just been about getting people together, good food, and going touring. So the MRT Canopy has completed my build, and I'm excited to see where the journey takes me.